latest and the latest right here on the very best harmony of the bad. It's RJ100. The Bangles' Eternal Flame, and before this, the late Chick Croce with Operator. That's not the way you feel. And Donna W. by Richie Valens, born Richard Stephen Valenzuela on May 13, 1941. A rock and roll and American rock and roll pioneer and a forefather of the Chicano rock movement. Valens' recording career lasted only 8 months, and during this time, however, he scored several hits, most notably La Bamba, which was originally a Mexican folk song that Valens transformed with a rock rhythm and beat that became a hit in 1958, making Valens a pioneer of the Spanish-speaking rock and roll movement. On February 3, 1959, on what has become known as the day the music died, Valens was killed in a small plane crash in Iowa, an event that also claimed the lives of fellow musicians Buddy Holly and J.B. the Big Bopper Richardson. Richie Valens for you with time.